Okay guys, today is an exciting day for us. Kitchen gets delivered. We've got everything ready to go in here. We're all cleared out, plumbers have been, our stats base, ready to be transformed into a nice gourmet kitchen. So today, cupboards will be delivered and we'll take it from there. But before they come, I have to get in through this wall here and just run a couple of wires down because we forgot to put a couple of switches over on the other side of that wall, which is the master bedroom. I'll walk you through, give you a look. But we made the mistake of putting this panelling on the wall. Now had that not gone in, the sparky or electrician could have just cut a channel into the wall, a couple of holes and whatever, drilled these wires through. But now, we're going to do it from the other side. So, aside from that, kitchen being delivered, all excited. This one I have to do a special video for you. We've put a big stacker door, so that all opens up. We changed put the weatherboard cladding on top of the render with this big servery window, which goes all the way down and around the corner here. That's how the outside looks now. It just looks a bit nicer. And where I'm standing here is where all the red stuff is. We're going to put a little swimming pool, in-ground swimming pool. Plus we also did air conditioning all through the house. So now it's beautiful and cool because fucking gets hot up here, man. But beautiful sunny now. You can see all the buildings there.